Today we're checking out these Bringnox Motorized Zebra roller blinds, and on paper they actually check out a lot of boxes, and they aren't even that expensive, which is amazing. These are motorized blackout zebra shades. They are completely customizable when you order them. They can be mounted either inside or outside of the window frame. And depending on the motor setup, they can actually work with your smart home platforms like your Apple Home, Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. Bringnox also says you can expect around 4 to 6 months of actual battery life on a charge, and with an optional solar charging setup that is also available. So we got four of these for my garage setup. And one of the things that really stood out to me when looking into these is that Bringnox doesn't just offer like one type of blind. They have a bunch of different categories. Now, these include roller shades, blackout shades, light filtering shades, sunscreen solar shades, zebra shades, no drill shades, outdoor shades, Roman shades, woven wood shades, and more. If these zebra blinds aren't exactly what you need, they've got a lot of other options on their site. So make sure to check these guys out if you're kind of interested in a different kind of blind that I'm going to be showing you today. But in this video, I'm going to talk about the ordering process, the different shade options, the inside versus outside mount, how ours will be installed, what these can actually do, and then at the end, I'll give you an honest pros and cons of these actual shades. First, as always, let's take a look at what comes in this box. So this is box, well, one. Again, I have four of them that I got shipped because I have four windows in here. So one of the things, of course, when you go through the ordering phase is that it's one of those things, measure like 9 times, order once, because you have to do and get proper measurements. So if you mess up your measuring, it's not really their fault if they don't fit perfectly. That's kind of on you. So I was ordering these. I was supposed to order them, a month or so ago, and I measure them and I go to order, and I'm like, oh, I should probably check again. I probably should check again. I don't know how many times I checked the exact same window. Hopefully I measured correct. Now they do come, I have to say it does come, at least the outside of the box, fairly well protected. Definitely even has a nice little the corner protectors to make sure it doesn't damage on the outside of the box. And inside, you're gonna get blinds. Yes, the blinds. You were gonna get a quick start guide. You were gonna get, oh, I even got the indoor solar panel. Yes, sir. Indoor solar panel, so I should be able to get nice on charging life out of these. I have, again, a lot of these are options. This is going to be the expansion screw and mounting brackets for them. You are going to get a power plug for your charging if you're not going to have them, I guess, solar powered. You're going to get your USB connector. And, of course, you're going to get a lovely little remote. So, motorized blinds and shades remote. Now, what I think, again, because I haven't installed these yet, is that I should be able to set things up with, like, let's say Google or Alexa or whatever, to have these set up as a room, which means that I can come in and say, hey, Alexa, open the garage, and all my blinds should open, or close the garage, and all my blinds should close. That's kind of the hope, right? So I'm going to put some of this off to the side and open up this section of blinds here. So be careful when you do this, because of course you don't want to be slicing into your blinds. And as far as I know, the install phase, the actual putting these on the actual window, should be fairly easy. As far as I know, you use these and you screw these in to, let's see, I have the inside frame, so they mount on the inside of the frame. You mount these on the inside, and then this kind of attaches to the mounts, and that's kind of it. As far as I know, that's all, right? As long as they're all sized properly, you should be good to go. Come on now. That's them. You guys, hopefully you see it. Bringnox. Yes? Thank you for choosing us. You actually see I have my order number with myself. These are zebra shades, 34 inches wide by 34 inches high. I have a complete square window frame. Blackout charcoal, your remote channel, Motorized is on the left, and I had them all the same. So I'm thinking I'm guessing these are maybe like your antennas or my guess is for your wireless connection, I think. I don't know what that says on it. Maybe it says something. I seem to have torn it off. Keep the sticker for something or other. Yes, oh, there's another part of it that just didn't seem to attach. Remove sticker. There we go. So I'm okay. Remove sticker before operating. I was like, uh-oh. You can tell, right? This is the blinds right here. These are gonna attach, yes, to your window. And basically, these are zebra sides. So this is gonna be the part, of course, that comes down. I'm excited to try these out. How excited to try these out. Anyways, I'm gonna go install this one, maybe on that window over there. I've got like ridiculously cheap blinds over there. But I'm going to install that, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about it. All right, actually, before we do that, we've got these unboxed out of the way. So let's talk about the actual ordering side of these, because with, custom shades, that's honestly one of the biggest parts of the experience, is the fact that these are customized for your actual windows. These aren't the kind of blinds that you just grab off a shelf and hope that they fit. So on Bringnox site, you go through the custom options before you actually add them to your cart. And that's where you really want to, like I said, pay attention to your measurements. You want to pay attention to your mounting type, and you want to pay attention to the overall look that you're going for. So they also have measurement and installation help that's directly on their website, which I used, which is really nice because this is definitely one of those products where, again, ordering correctly really matters, right? It really matters, because if not, they do it to what you said, but if what you said was wrong, not really their fault. And this is also where it helps that they offer, again, a lot of different shade styles and fabrics. So on the zebra side, specifically, they talk about having over 20 zebra fabrics in different colors and textures. And for this blackout zebra version, they actually highlight a palette of neutral color options. So you can go a lot more design focused here instead of just picking, white, gray, black, and being like, well, that's my option, so I guess I'll just pick one of those. So from an ordering standpoint, I'd say that this is really about knowing, your own windows, your own space, your own design, and what you actually want it to look like and feel like. You want to kind of understand how much light control you want, and whether you want the shade to sit, again, inside the frame or cover more of the opening from the outside of the frame. So now let's talk about the inside mount versus the outside mount, because this is something a lot of people probably don't think enough about until they're already in the ordering process. If your window frame has enough depth and you want a cleaner, more built-in, more customized look, then the inside mount is usually the more, I want to say again, custom or modern looking option. It keeps everything really tucked nicely into the frame. And again, if you size it properly, it's going to be the one that really looks clean. But if your frame is shallow, so you can't fit the mounting in there, or it's uneven, or you just want better overall coverage, then the outside mount can actually make a little bit more sense. And it can also help visually make your actual window look bigger, again, depending on your setup. And it may actually even help reduce light gaps more effectively. Because let's say my window 34 inches, let's say it was actually 34 and a quarter, I'm going to have a bit of light leak. But if I put over top of it, I wouldn't. So really, the best option depends on your actual window frame, not just what actually looks nicest in the photos. And with zebra shades, especially when you're dealing with those, I want to say, alternating bands of material, because that's kind of how they work, how they sit in the opening can really affect both the final look and the way the shade actually functions, every day. Now I'm going to go actually install these. I'll be back. So all installed. Now these shades were mounted based on the window measurements and frame setup, my setup. And once they were placed, I have to say the overall look is awesome. This is definitely one of those products, again, where accurate measurements ahead of time matters 100% more than pretty much anything else. If your measurements are right, the install side tends to just be pretty smooth. And if they're wrong, well, not as smooth. Now, the shades themselves are designed as a cordless motorized setup. So once installed, the finished look is a lot cleaner than traditional blinds, with those hanging pull cords that you have. Bringnox also positions these as a kid safe and pet friendly because of that, again, cordless design, right? They have to have that remote, or they have to be able to get up top somewhere to actually do this. So while this isn't really a hard product to understand by any means, it is definitely a product where planning is, again, really important. Measure carefully, measure twice, measure 4 times, measure 10 times. Choose the right mount style for your style of window, and think through how much coverage you actually want before you actually order. Now, let's get into what these can actually do. So the nice thing about Zebra shades is that they're not just fully open or fully closed. So because of the dual layer design, you can adjust how the actual bands line up and thus control the amount of light actually coming through during the day. They actually highlight that the dual layer setup is a really flexible way to adjust light levels depending on your needs, which I can completely see that. Some days in here, I don't want it completely black, but I also don't want it completely lit up. And on the motorized side, these have a lot more convenience, again, built in than standard shades. I have shades over on this window, for instance, and it's just closed. I never do anything with it. It's just closed all the time. So now I can actually work with these, and you can use these individually, or you can set them up in groups. You can set a favorite middle position. You can choose between, I think it's 3 different speeds, and with their matter over thread setup, unlock features like app control, scheduling, sunrise and sunset automation, and smart home integration. And they also say the smart ecosystem support can include, again, like I said before, Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. So if that is how your home automation works, you should be good to go. So that means in a smart home setup, this can definitely go beyond just pressing or using this remote. You can potentially have the shades, again, open in the morning, close at sunset, open when you enter, close when you leave. You can have them grouped together. So I could say group these 2 blinds together. I could say group these blinds together, or have a group for all the blinds. All kinds of coolness. And that kind of convenience, for me, is where motorized blinds really start to make sense. And again, especially in my scenario, where I have multiple windows, and I have windows that are definitely harder to reach because I have shelves in front of them, or I have printers in front of them, or I have other equipment in front of them. Being able to talk or use a remote to open them, way better. And they also claim that the motors operate at under a 45 decibel, so they're supposed to stay fairly quiet in normal use. And again, they rate the battery at around 4 to 6 months per charge. And if you have the optional solar charging, then of course they're going to last even longer. Now, again, if you have a window that doesn't get a lot of light, you won't get as much extension as a window that gets a lot of light because it's solar. Anyways, let's start with what I like about these, since I've installed 1 of them. That's because that's all I've done so far. Just 1, 3 more to go. First, I definitely like the overall look, without question. I like these way better than my cheap Walmart blinds. These feel way more modern than a lot of traditional blinds, and the Zebra design gives you a really nice balance between privacy, light control, and just the overall style, especially with that ability to choose from a multitude of colors. Secondly, I like that they have a lot of different, again, shade types and fabric choices. So you don't just have to be like, well, this is my only option. Thirdly, is the motorized convenience, especially for me, is a huge win. Having that remote control, having that ability to group them, put it in favorite positions, the smart home support, and all those kinds of features really make these feel premium. And they are a major addition to the convenience side of it in regards to especially my setup. And finally, I like that they're completely cordless. None of this, right? None of this. This gives them a much cleaner look and is better again for homes, especially if you have kids or pets. They're not gonna, you're not gonna have that kid come over and be like, oh, I wonder what this does. I want to play with my blinds. My dogs are gonna get caught up in them. Da 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 da. Right? No, 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 no. My remote, I hide that. You don't touch it. Cool. But as I said, with all products, not everything is 100% yeehaw. There's always going to be some things that you want to understand. And I think the first thing is that just in general, customs naturally take more planning. This is not an impulse buy type of product. You're going to have to spend some time. You're going to have to make sure your measurements are accurate. You need to choose the right mounting style. You need to go through and think about your fabric choices. You need to think about your room use, the light control, and you have to do all of that before you order, because once that customization starts, it starts. Secondly, smart home capabilities, I love, but they can be a little confusing depending on things like what exact motor or motor setup you choose. Now, Bringnox talks about features like matter over thread. They talk about app grouping. They talk about their smart ecosystem integration, but that also means that the purchaser should be clear on what hardware or ecosystem they already use at home before ordering. And let's be honest, a big chunk of people have no idea, right? So you order it for this because you think that's cool, and it's the wrong one. And thirdly, this is the kind of product where the experience is going to depend a lot on, again, whether you ordered the correct size and you ordered the correct mounting type. If you get those wrong, it's not really the kind of product that you can easily just kind of play around with to get it to work. As we said before, measure twice, measure 4 times, order once, right? Because that's important. But overall, I would say that these blackout zebra shades do a lot right. They 100% look good. They offer more light control flexibility than standard blinds and a way more flexibility than my current blinds. They bring smart home convenience into your room, your house, for me, my garage. And I like that Bringnox has a wide range of shade styles and fabrics, depending on what kind of room you're working with and how you just want your room to be designed. For me, the biggest takeaway is this. If you're willing to spend the time, these are going to be a really nice upgrade over basic blinds that you and I just go to Walmart or Home Depot or whatever to pick up. They're 100% not something you want to rush order. But if you plan it out properly, you measure correctly, the end result will feel really clean and will make your room feel a lot more premium. Anyways, let me know in the comments, would you, if you were getting blinds, would you go with inside mount or outside mount for your windows? Outside mount, I could have used for sure, but when I talked to them, they were like, you should go inside mount. So I was like, okay, that's what I'm going with. And would you prefer zebra shades, blackout roller shades, or something more like a solar shade? Anyways, I gave you some things to talk about. Maybe you're like, I like curtains, or I just have an open window with a blanket on it. That's all I need. And if that's all you need, that's awesome. Saves yourself some dollars for sure. Anyways, these come in, between $100, $150, I think it is, per blind. And you may think, well, that's a good price, maybe. Or you may think, well, that's expensive. But for a custom set of zebra blinds that are motorized, it's actually a really good price. It's actually a really good price. Just remember, you're not going to get them right away. For me, I think it took, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks for me to get them. But they're here. And so far, I think they're awesome. Anyways, I'll leave links down below to where you guys can take a look at all their blinds, where you can order a set if you're interested. And that's all. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you fine folks next video. I have got to go install 3 more sets of blinds, I guess.